just got off the Blizzard Kabookie. This ski I give a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a 98 waisted ski. I really had a lot of fun on it. It's very playful, transitions from edge to edge very quickly. I found that the ski really liked to go fast, was very stable at high speed. It liked to make long turns, but I was surprised at actually how quick it was when I wanted to kind of go edge to edge real fast. So it was a great ski. I would definitely recommend it as kind of a out west all mountain ski, or for the kind of a person who just likes a little wider ski on hard pack conditions. It's a hard pack day to day, and it's skied just like any good carving ski would ski. So really like this ski a lot.